Hello guys, this is Sir Pro here, and I'm going to be giving you a batch programming tutorial video. Okay, batch. Batch is a programming language used with command prompt. I'll open it right here. Okay, so first thing about batch. Batch is not used for game development. That is what I'm going to show you how, but I'm going to show you how to make one with it though. It is extremely simple, so if you are very new to batch, this is probably the video you should watch. I'm not saying this is the only one. There are probably a lot better videos out there. Just saying. So, what we're going to start off is open Notepad++. You do not have to use Notepad++ though. Okay. What you can use the default notepad that you are given when you get your Windows computer. This will work too, but I don't suggest using it. You can download Note++ for free, and if you do, you'll open File and click New. This will give you a new project. So to start off any game, before you start off any game in batch, you will go to language and set it to batch. So you're gonna add an echo off, and I'm gonna minimize that, and I am going to open a command prompt to show you what it does. Okay, see all this excess text that we do not need, including this. If we add echo off and then CLS, it will clear all of it, so we don't have to look at that. So now if we open it back up, that's what that does. Now we have to add the title. This will not display in the game. This is just naming it. So I'm gonna name it like Survival. And then if you want to actually display it, you put echo. Echo prints stuff into your game so you can see it. So that is important in any game that you make. So now I'm going to do a echo dot that makes a blank space, echo. No, I don't need that. Okay. And then from there on, I will put a pause. That holds the screen to where it's at. So actually, I'll show you what happens if you don't have that. So once you're done, you want to click save and then name it what you want to name it. So I'm going to name this batch tutorial. I think I'm spelling that right. I'm not sure though. And then I add .bat to save it as a batch file. And I'm saving mine to desktop. It just makes it easier. So there it is. It won't open correctly because it doesn't have a pause in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it back up and put pause, save, minimize that, and there you go. There we go. Okay. For the next part, how about if I want some color in the game? I mean, it looks kind of boring if it's just white text and a black background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put color, and then if you don't know the color commands, you can open command prompt and type in color and then just random stuff, and it'll open this menu. So let's say we want a blue background and a green text. So the first number is always the background, and the second is the text. So if I save that, minimize it, and then open it, there we go. We got green text and a blue background. And there we go. So now we're going to want to open our game back up. So now that we have that part, we're going to create a menu. This is like a scene, I'm just calling it a menu. So I'm going to name this main menu. You never want to name something this like the same. It will mess it up completely. So main menu, and you're gonna put CLS, so it clears this. So you can't see that. So now I'm gonna put. I like to put an echo dot in my scenes just to clear up some space. So echo. I'm gonna add the name main menu, and then I'm gonna put echo dot to create some space between our options, and then echo, and then I'm gonna put number 1 start game, echo 2 info, echo 3, and last but not least, exit. Okay, now that we have those, they are useless. We have to assign them a number, so which is a variable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put set /p and c equals c colon slash. So now I am going to wait. Do I already have it? Yep. This is what you need now. This is a if statement. So this is saying if, and then we assign these as like c. So equal or quotation %c % quotation equals 1 go to start start game, or let's name this like a scene, so like home or something, and then I'm just gonna paste that again and then make that a 2, so that will go to info page, and then I'm gonna do that again. This is gonna be a 3, and I'm gonna get rid of go to, and that's just gonna say exit. So exit the game when you wanted to. So now I'm gonna save it and test what it does. So minimize that and do that. So if I press this, it'll open the main menu. So let's say I want to start the game. Well, we don't have that page yet since we don't, or it won't open since we don't have that page. So I'm gonna click 3, and that'll close it for us. So now, I'm going to go back to Notepad and click Enter. And actually, I'm going to end the video here. I think we made some progress. And if you don't think I'm doing good, just tell me something I should do. So I'll read them and try to make it better in the next video. And if there's anything you didn't understand, I will explain it more thoroughly in the next video also. So this is Sir Pro, and like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.